What are tire wear indicators? Have you ever wondered how to tell if your tires are ready for a change? Tire wear indicators are here to help you with that. These small raised sections of rubber, also known as tire wear bars, are built into the grooves of your tire's tread. Their main job is to make it easy for you to see how much tread is left and when it's time to replace your tires for safety. When your tires are brand new, they have deep grooves that provide excellent traction. But as you drive, those grooves wear down. Tire wear bars are strategically placed at a specific height within the grooves, usually at about 30 of an inch. When your tire tread wears down to the level of these bars, they become flush with the tread surface and are clearly visible. This is your signal that the tire is too worn to provide safe traction, and it's time to replace it. For teenagers who are just starting to take care of their own cars, knowing how to find and check these tire wear indicators is a vital skill. You can usually spot the wear bars as small horizontal bridges across the tire grooves. By comparing the tread height to these bars, you can quickly determine if your tires still have enough tread or if they are worn out. Some tire brands make it even easier to identify wear bars. They may include logos or letters stamped into the tread that disappear as the tire wears down. Regardless of the design, the key takeaway is that once the tread reaches the wear bars, your tire is no longer safe, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Regularly inspecting your tires for wear bars is a simple yet effective way to keep your car safe on the road. Worn tires can lead to skidding, longer stopping distances, and hydroplaning. As a teen driver, make it a habit to check your tires often or ask someone to show you how. This way, you can replace your tires before they become a safety issue. Taking care of your tires is an important part of car maintenance that will help you stay safe and confident while driving.